Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello Itens, inimbitahan kayo ni Stel para manood ng kanyang guesting concert kasama si David Foster sa The Hitman Show. At siya ay front act o mag-perform siya ngayong June 18 sa Hitman Show ni David Foster. Abangan natin yan.
I'm inviting everyone to please watch David Foster and Friends on June 18 sa Araneta Coliseum po yan, and I will be performing as your opening performer sa event po na yun. So, if you want to watch, please visit ticketnet.com and buy your tickets. See you guys. Thank you so much.
Kasama ni Still John, si Brian McKnight, Catherine McPhee at marami pang iba sa Araneta at June 18.